got blue car here, that's number 15, Christopher Elsenpeter out of Monticello, Minnesota. That's the B5. That's Mark. I screwed up his last name, Mark. Sorry, Mark. 4J. It's like Cody Darcy. 65, that's Ethan Creamer out of Arlington, Minnesota. In the 122, Jake Johnson coming into the arena.
This heat is making me...
3, 2, 1, here we go! There's a big hit by the 15, Christopher Elsenpeter. Flag out, red flag. Drivers, please stop. We're checking the 4J car. It looks like we had something broke here with the gas. Exposed gas lines or something in the cars. Green flags up in 3, 2, 1, here we go! 122, Jake Johnson picking up the watermelon. 5th place, car number 65, Ethan Creamer. 4th place, the B5, Mark Biaz-Jolie. 3rd place, 4J, Cody Darcy. 2nd place, car number 15, Christopher Elsenpeter. And our champion in the midsize heat, number 122, Jake Johnson. Picking up the most junked car and the sledgehammer, car number 15, Christopher Elsenpeter. Picking up both most junked and the sledgehammer hardest hitter.